This is going to be the 2-minute test drive video. So we're going to do some things that folks do when they test drive a car. In the 1981 Replicar of the 1931 Ford Phaeton Model A variation. Almost 1 minute into the video, we're going to do a few more little things just to show you all that this is a great car. And she's got the beautiful Ooga horn, sounding good. We're going to get out onto the busy public roads here.
Gotta go to the gas station.
Because we're going to stop and get gas. Getting ready to sign off. Burn like a top.